Before you head out on site, make sure you have created an account and downloaded the app to your phone. You can do this by scanning the QR codes on the box and following the prompts. Prepare your ladder, a pencil, 25mm hole saw or a 25mm drill bit, 4 12 gauge or 14 gauge screws and some cable ties. Prior to heading out, you will need to know the height and capacity of your tank because this detail will be required in the app. Mark your hole for the level sensor. It's important to make sure you drill above the overflow level of your tank. Secure the mounting bracket. There are several screw hole options to choose from. Select the most appropriate location for your tank type or pitch. Feed the level sensor through the 25mm hole and gently lower it to the bottom of the tank. If you prefer, you can secure the cable with a cable tie. Connect the level sensor to the device and make sure the white dots line up. Clip the device to the mounting bracket. Open the app on your phone. Click Add Device and select the asset type, in this case, water tank. Select your liquid level sensor length, in this case, 3 meters. Add your tank height and volume. Name your tank. Next, you'll need to activate your device. Before you proceed with this step, make sure you remove any accessories such as a phone case that may hinder the activation process. Lay your phone flat against the device. Press Start. Hold still for about 10 seconds or until a tick mark appears. Take a photo of the device with the serial number clearly shown. This will be sent to our tech support team in case you run into issues in the future. Grab your protection cover and twist and lock into position. Finally, step a few meters away from the device you've just installed. Go to the app and upload a second picture to send to our tech support team. Make sure this photo captures your device and a little bit of your tank. This will help our tech support team understand your setup should you need support in the future. And that's it, job done. Please note it'll take approximately 24 hours before the first read appears on your app. Remember, we're here to help. So if you have any questions, you can find us at am.gallagher.com.